Hello everyone. So while dealing with the foundation bolts and the virtual wall, you'll face this warning, that is error. Abnormal bolt pretension is detected during the modifying the pretension cycle. So would you like to stop the application? So if you get this, what we need to do? This would normally happen while defining the virtual wall itself. So to deal with this, what we need to do? So I'm gonna go through the case study, so that will help you to deal with this issue as well as how to deal with the foundation bolt setup. Geometry I'm going to take into account. I'll run the study static, and here I'm gonna define the data as per my requirement. So in the material, simply I'll apply the plain carbon steel for this. The connections, bolt and the foundation bolt. Here I'll define this, and the plane should be this, which is 40 mm away. So my foundation bolt should be 40 mm length. Same thing for that. You can simply copy and paste it. If you want, you can rename it as per your requirement. And inside I'll simply change the location of it to this, and even you can define the properties. So in the strength data I'm gonna add the values. So here if you want, you can define the tensile stress. Right now I'll just define the threads per mm, so I'll take only 2 for now. So you can refer the data book for this. Right now I'll just take this much. And the torque required is, let me just take it as 60 Newton meter. You can just calculate with respect to your foundation board which you are using. Okay, so let me keep the same, and let me just check for the another one. Here let me just define the same. If you have the tensile area, tensile stress area, you can define it over there. So right now I'm not gonna concentrate this data is, and simply I'm taking into account, okay, not exactly whatever I'm defining over there. Okay, so I have defined the foundation bolt. So if you're utilizing the foundation bolts, you need to remember we should define the connection of virtual wall, otherwise it won't run. Okay, I'll define this face for reference, and here you should remember that wall should not be 40 mm away. It will consider that wall into account and it will try to move inside it. So you can see the gap range should be 0. So I'll select this plane which has been created on that particular face only. You can manually edit it if you want. You can make it 0, the gap range and all. So as per your requirement, you can stabilize the model. So if you want to add the friction, coefficient of friction, that also you can deal. You need to remember the wall type should be rigid for the virtual wall. So if you are utilizing the flexible wall also, that you can define it as per your requirement. If it is there, you can add it, otherwise you can simply click on recheck. Okay, so I'm gonna simply run the study. Automatic by default mesh it's gonna take. And yeah, with respect to that, you can even check the bolt connections, so whether they are filling the bolts which you are using or it is into account. You can check it, and here you can see 629 megapascal and it is 220, so it is failing, and the displacement is okay for us. So if you want to change the deformation to true scale, you can set it up like this and you can animate it. Okay, and if you want to check the bolt results, that you can use this option, that is define pin bolt track. It should both need the attention. because the calculated FOS is 0.81 and the required is 2. So the data, the strength area which I have defined is 2 less, so you can define the proper value over there and you can get the results as per your requirement. So for dealing with the bolts, we need to remember the mechanical properties of each bolts which we are using. Yeah, so I hope it's clear. If you have any doubts and comments, you can just type here, comment. Yeah, thank you, stay tuned.